To enable or disable app timers in Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to select the digital well-being and parental controls. Now navigate down to the app timers, click on them, and then to activate app timer, you will need to name it right here. So for example, let's call it whatever gibberish we can. Then we can select the items that is the apps. So for example, we can put timer for the YouTube Music, let's say. Then this YouTube Music app is added. We can create a schedule, and let's say we want this app this to start at 20. Then the app timer will be set up, and the app will be able to use only for 20 hours every day. So we can change it actually to something like 1 hour or 2 hours, and that way you'll be able to use the apps in that schedule for that specific time. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.